It's Memorial Day, and I am now getting ready to start what I believe will be probably, maybe, hopefully, final assembly. Let's take a look. I have the front axle. It's all been cleaned up and painted. We have the truss is all cleaned up and painted. This is the main frame, the battery tray, here and here, and then a mounting bracket for the plastics. I've already started putting the spring mounts back on there for the motor unit. We have the snowblower wheels with a hole cut into it for the set screw, and the pillow block bearings on there. And that is about what we're up against. We got the body over there, the old chassis over here, a little bit of steering components that are getting ready to be reassembled, and that's what we're going to start doing next. We have the steering components here, and the electrical is right over here. I'm still I have to make some decisions on how I want to handle that. I might do some experimenting with that, but at least for now we'll try and get it in there as is, and then we'll got to tuck away these batteries. So that's what we're up against next, and let's see how it goes. Alright, here we are. Still working on final assembly. But let's take a look at what we've got so far. A lot of it you've seen before if you've been watching the video, but let's go over it real quick and what I hope to be final form. Alright, here's what we got, right? We just talked about the back axle. We've got that all connected. We've got the couplers in there. We've got the pillow block bearings. We've got the outer bolts to hold them in place. There's a Teflon piece in there to hold it centered. Battery tray. We've got the front axle. This is what we're dealing with. We're steering here. We have all thread connected to a piece of rod. We welded in there for some adjustment. Then we have the same type of all thread connected in here with these joints, and what we end up with is a nice smooth tight little bit of flex. You can see that as it pushes the axle around. Once it's on the ground, that goes away. It works pretty smoothly, and we'll be able to do that in a couple of seconds here because we are ready to put it on its own weight and see how it starts to mount the plastic on it. So that's what we're up against right now, and we're going to keep going. right, Harlan, pull towards you to go backwards.
Good job, Paisley.
I don't know if that's our Jeep, is it?
No.
Where's our Jeep?
Right here.
In there. But it's broke.
All right, hold on. All right, let's try it again. Try going backwards.
That's so smooth.
Smooth.
Quiet compared to the old one.
Yeah. All right, drive it, bud. Okay. Whoa, don't hit. Slow down. Slow down.
But it's so fast.
It's so fast. Yeah, I should probably. Hold on.
So hard to turn. So fast. Huh?
You seriously drove into the side of my truck. Stop. Okay, we're gonna start. You need to point this thing down.
You turn that down to 1?
Yep, we're gonna turn it down a little bit. Oh,
How about down to 0?
we're gonna turn it down a little bit more. All right.
To
All right.
0?
Anyway.
All right. Now, go forward. Go.
That's slow.
Yeah. Well, you just drove into my truck.
Huh? Where am I first? I don't know. Down to the sand pit? Can we drive it down to the sand pit?
Not enough water down there.
I don't need any
Seriously,
water.
drove right inside my truck.
I'll park it. Mine, is it?
No.
Where's our Jeep? In there. But it's broke.
All right, hold on. Wait.
Which one is it at?
I turned it down to a 6 because I don't know how fast it's gonna go with you in there. All right, let's try it again. Try going backwards.
That's so smooth.
Smooth.
Quiet compared to the old one.
Yeah. All right, drive it, bud.
Don't go off the road. But it's so fast.
It's so fast. Yeah, I should probably